Viene el gran chingón, el mero mero.
Hi everyone, hope everyone's having a fantastic weekend so far. Saturday evening here in San Diego, California. And hello to everyone. Thank you for joining me for this video here, and I appreciate everyone's support. Thank you very much. Just wanted to share a little mail call that I got in the mail. I'm gonna do this quick. I got this soap set because I've been wanting it for quite some time. It took a while for it to come out, but it finally came out, and I'm so happy for it because this is a classic scent that it's been out for quite some time. And Douglas and Fran from Phoenix Arts and Accoutrements brought it back to life. They no longer produce the fragrance. They only produce a deodorant and body wash, and you probably know what I'm talking about. But this is Fresco. Fresco from Phoenix Arts and Accoutrements. The label says they're Fresco in the middle, and it says high strangeness artisan shave soap. And you see like these two like deep dive divers in the ocean there with the background of some rocks there, and got the cube there, the alien guy on the top, and I believe this one right here is Douglas. No, I take that back. This one's Douglas and this one's the alien. That's pretty dope. And I think that Douglas makes the labels for his soaps, his and Fran's soaps. And yeah, this is Fresco. Fresco is Old Spice, a homage to Old Spice. And I do got the aftershave underneath my sink. I got 2 bottles, but not the ones from this is inspired from the scent from the 80s Fresco, which Douglas said he rocked in high school. I rocked it in high school, and but I graduated in the 90s. It was still around. But the scent that I have here is the reformulated brand, not Scholten, but the next one after that. I believe it's Procter and Gamble, I believe. I got 2 of these here because I love this scent very much. I use it very rarely. Yeah, this one's from Procter and Gamble. They both say Procter and Gamble on the back. It's not gonna be able to close up, but I'll be taking a picture of it in the end, and I'll be showing you that it's from Procter and Gamble. And this is the Old Spice fresh scent, which I've used very little because at the time this is no longer being produced, and I love this scent very much, and it's a great scent, great fresh scent. And Douglas's version is like more refined. It's like more of a this scent here is a medium scented scent. It's like very well balanced in the scent. It's not low, it's not too high, it's right in the middle, the scent strength. But the scent is very fresh, very clean. It's beautiful. It's very masculine. And I don't got the scent notes offhand right now, but let me look real quick. But this has like a very nice touch to the scent itself. Douglas and Fran nailed it on the scent. But like I was trying to explain, Douglas Fresco, Douglas and Fran's Fresco, it's more like a smooth fresh. That's the best way I can describe it. Got my kid here making noise. That's what kids do. How about apologize. This old phone of mine is it's very old, and the one that I'm looking at my notes from, it's very old and it's very slow. But Fresco is available in the CK6 formula, which is Douglas's high premium, ultra premium CK6 formula, and 5 ounces of soap. The one that I got here is the CK1 version. But the scent notes here are hibiscus, eucalyptus, citrus, fresh. Middle notes of cardamom, spicy green, balsam. Middle notes of woody, patchouli, mossy, and masculine. And this is considered as an aromatic fougere. Here are the rest of the scent notes. There's more scent notes. Top notes of orange, carbondum, bergamot, lime, lemon, lavender, and blackcurrant. Middle notes of rose, cardamom, lily of the valley. Base notes of patchouli, opanax, cedar, oak moss, and ambergris. Ambergris is hibiscus, citrusy, and fresh, spicy green, mossy, balsamic, and woody. A truly beautiful accord to experience life. Yeah, that's what the scent is. But like I'll explain to you when I smell it, it smells very fresh, very clean, and smooth. I love this scent very much, and I'm so happy Douglas and Fran brought this out, because this scent's no longer being made by Old Spice. They only carry the deodorant and body wash as far as I've seen in the stores. They don't no longer make the aftershave. But let me put these away. And hey, can you be quiet, please? I'm doing a video. It's blowing me kisses. But yeah, that's the fresh scent. I don't know if I showed you the aftershave, but this is the scent that I got. The set that I got. And I got me an extra puck of Sundown. And some swag. Always you get swag with Phoenix Arts and Accoutrements. Always throwing these extra brochures, catalogs. And they threw in a sample of this scent Droid, from a homage to Floyd Black. It's called Droid Black. Top notes of citrus, fruity, floral. Middle notes of patchouli, caramel, woody, vanilla. Base notes of woody, musk, and amber. Get excited, get real excited. That scent here is amazing. This scent here blows my socks off. It truly is an awesome scent, and I can't wait for this to come out. It's called Droid Black, homage to Floyd Black. It smells, oh God. When I opened it, I was like, wow. I can't wait for that soap scent to come out. But let me put this up real quick. And let's get started with the, leave my stuff on, please. If I don't put my stuff away, he'll grab everything. Everything in hand he wants to touch, play with. Oh, you want to say hi? Say hi, everybody. He just got a fresh haircut. Daddy cut his hair, and he looks like Daddy now, huh, Papa? You look like Daddy, huh? Give me a kiss. Say happy Friday. No, happy Saturday. Tomorrow's 4th of July. Yay. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Love ya. Take care. See you later. Bye. Say bye-bye. Bye. I love you, Papa. I love you. All right. The shade for tonight will be Fireworks right here. I thought I'd use this scent because tomorrow's 4th of July. And I don't know if I'm going to be doing the shave or not. I might be busy tomorrow. So I wanted to come on board tonight and do the shave. But this scent here is from Phoenix Arts and Accoutrements. And this scent here is inspired from Fireworks. This is a Sulfer Smokey scent, to the best of my knowledge. And if you ever went to see a fireworks show and after the fireworks pop, all that leftover stuff that comes down from the fireworks being cracked and popped, it has like a very like smoky smell. This is what this smells like right here. Straight up firework after smell. This is what this smells like. This is a blast of nostalgia. Artisan shave soap from Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. Once again, Douglas and Fran. This is made with real sulfur. As right here in the rocket, it says real soap. Made with real sulfur. And this is also in the CK6 cocoa butter formula. This is what I'm going to be using tonight. Decided to do a 4th of July shave. So I'm going to be using my new American Rolling X2 brush from Dark Sanctum. You guys can see the coin there. Dark Sanctum bottle cap sealed with resin. And this sports a 27 millimeter badger knot from Milton. Get away, mommy stuff. Leave mommy stuff alone. He doesn't want to go outside because the light's off. But I did that purposely so he can be in here because I can't watch him right now outside. So let me bring my water from my knot. Let me show you the jelly tips this knot has. Very dense knot. Always dense knots from Milton at Turn and Shave. He has one of the best knots in the wet shaving game. Wet shave community. And I appreciate all his products. From his brushes, knots, customer service. He's a great dude. Milton does great work. And I appreciate him very much. Alright. Here's my knot here. Let me bring it out a little bit because it holds a lot of water. This is my Rolling X2. From the back here it looks black, but believe me, that's a dark navy blue color. If you can see it now. Titanium white and fire red engine red on the bottom color. And once again, Jose's coin. Bottle cap. Scent strength off this, I say, is a medium. About 6 scent strength. The strength from the soap itself. Alright, let's start the loading. CK1 formula, the cocoa butter, once again. 12 minutes in my video. Have to dull here very much because it's a very dense knot. Hey, calm down. Calm down, Papa. Don't jump. It's late. You can't be jumping right now. There's people downstairs and people don't like to hear noise. Especially at this time. Straight up sulfur. Smoky sulfur is what I get from this. I think I have enough there. And this soap here was given to me from Shave Cave. He is a YouTuber on YouTube. No longer talk to him. There's a lot of people that I just don't talk to anymore. And I don't know why. It happens. But, oh well. You win some, you lose some. What can you do? But he's the one that sent me this soap here, and only used it once since he gifted it to me. Second time using it. That's how much soaps I have, my din. But if you're that kind that likes to smoky scents, like burning smoky scents, this would be a scent for you. And if you don't like that sulfur sulfur smell, then I don't think you would like the scent here. I have no problem with it. It's not my type of scent, but it's different. It's very unique in its own way. I got a lot of growth on my face. I got about a week's growth on my face. Let me add some more water to this. It's pasty. And this is available right now on Douglas' website. It's on front of his page. Very dense knot. And another badger hair, of course. Never fails with badger. I wanted to use the cube and I forgot. Well, CK1 always provides a great lather on the face. Very creamy, very dense. Got all the great properties great soap has. Very slick, slick as hell. Medium density. And that post shave feels great on the face. Let me wet this one more time. So if you get to see this read, thank you very much for the soap. Another badger there. Badger hair. It's like the 5th hair I lost. Always common in losing hairs with the badger, especially when they're new. Hopefully doesn't shed anymore. Well, yeah, that's my lather there. I'm good with that. Gonna be using my Max Brecker. I wanted to keep the red, white, and blue theme going on, so I'm gonna use my Max Brecker 8/8 barber's notch from Max Brecker, made in the USA, Las Vegas, Nevada. Can't really see it because my zoom sucks. All right, pass one with the grain. Papa, leave my soaps alone. He sees me shaving with soap, so he wants to grab what I have there and smell them. Very slick, very dense, as I was explaining. CK formula, it's pretty awesome, in my opinion. There's a concert venue going down again downstairs. There were fells on a Saturday night. I'm about to rinse this density of a lather down my sink. Hey, what are you doing? Making a mess everywhere. I don't want to give him his tablet because it has noise, and if I give him his tablet, YouTube will red flag my video, and it won't be able to process. I mean, it will shut it down. That's the bad thing about YouTube. You can't have nothing copyrighted or they'll shut it down. I think it sends like a signal to them. Very thick. Good lather. He has this rug behind me and it's irritating. It's like right on my ankles. And I can't kick it off because Junior's right behind it. Once again, very dense soap. My bathroom straight up smells like fireworks right now. It does, really does. All right, pass one is down. And it took a lot of hair off my face. The razor still holding its edge, but it is starting to feel a little tuggy as well. I've had it for quite some time, a couple years, and I've shaved more than I think. I remember I shaved a lot with that razor. Very slick, I was mentioning. What, Papa? What you want? Hold on, I'm almost done. Come on, let me rinse my hands. I'll play with you right now as soon as I'm done with my shave, okay? I promise you. Alright, pass through my lather. Got plenty here. Let's get into my fiance stuff everywhere. Hey, what are you doing? Being bagging into everything. This badger here takes extremely a lot of loading. I could go back to that pug, but I got enough here. Sorry about that noise there in the background. It's crazy here downtown. I can't wait to leave. I really am excited to leave here finally, once and for all. It's time to go. It's my time to go. Hey, put that back. Put that back. Stop. All right, pass two. I don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm thinking about going to the store and getting some meat. Maybe going to the park for a little bit to barbecue it and then come back home. My fiance doesn't have the day off, so can't enjoy it like I wanted to, like I was planning to. Stuff like this happens sometimes where well, on the holidays, someone has to work and we can enjoy the holiday together. Part of life. You're having fun throwing everything in the tub? Yeah, huh? He was dumping all his bath toys in the tub. Hey, whatever's keeping him entertained. Better for me, you know, get to finish my shave. Almost done here. My hair grows quick. I cut it in the middle of the week and it's growing again. I need another haircut. The only thing bad about having a short hairstyle like this, you have to keep buzzing it and cutting it. Sure as hell can't afford a $30 to $50 haircut, so I do my own haircut. Hey, that's enough. No more. No more. Get away from there. You're too loud. You're really, really loud. Sorry about the noise, everyone. Junior here, he's too loud. But I'm done with my shave, and very smooth. A little irritated. The blade there, it needs a hone. So it's not as hold on. Not a very, very bad irritation, but I can feel it. It's the edge. It needs a new edge. All my blade needs a new edge. And I haven't been touching up my razors on the stones because I'm barely learning and I just don't have the time to be honest, to be honing. Junior takes all my time. I get home from work. I'm tired. I don't want to do anything but rest. And you know, and I come home and I watch him. So it's a second job, watching him until he goes to sleep. So I have no time to hone. Leave daddy stuff alone, please. Move. Oh, I gotta clean this bathroom up because he made a mess everywhere as always. I'm gonna be finishing off this shave with the Fireworks aftershave that also Reed was kind enough to throw this in when he sent me the soap here. And thank you very much once again to him for this set right here. And that was my shave, everyone. Thank you very much for joining me. Shave with my dark, lather my soap with my Dark Sanctum American brush. If you all haven't catch my mail call, my last video, make sure you catch it. And I'm explaining on what these brushes mean to me. But that's my American brush there. And I truly appreciate Jose's work. His work is awesome, and he takes pride in what he does, and his work shows. That brush came out exactly how I wanted it. My Max Breaker 8/8 barber's notch, blue power scales, if I didn't mention it before. But I wanted this shave to reminisce 4th of July. And I hope everyone has a happy 4th of July. My shave soap here, Fireworks from Douglas and Fran at Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. This is in the Crown King formula, CK1 formula. He also has it in the CK6 formula. But I'm be closing out this shave here with a couple sprays of this aftershave here. I feel a little bit of hair here. Oh well, I'll save it for the next shave. I already cleaned my blade there, and I don't feel like wetting it again. But I'm gonna be using this, a couple of sprays here. Oh, little burn. We're not so bad. It feels great. One thing about Douglas and Fran's aftershaves, they have a burn. They have a lot of alcohol, and ooh, I smell like fireworks. It smells very sulfur, very smoky, this scent here. But it feels like I just came home from watching a fireworks show. This is what this smells like. I'm not kidding. This is the best that I can describe this scent here. Have a great night, everyone. Happy 4th of July. And be safe, take care, and have a great one. I hope you guys and ladies have a great one with your families or your loved ones and your friends. El Chingon here says, have a great night and take care. See you later. Junior says bye. Say bye, Papa. Bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Getting into everything. Getting into everything, Junior. You hear him, he's saying bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Take care.